Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Apple's Vision Pro mixed reality headset, Amazon's AI chatbot Rufus rebound in India's smartphone market, YouTube Music and YouTube Premium milestone, Meta's special video support for Quest 3, Google's upgraded AI chatbot Bard, RBI's ban on Paytm Payments Bank, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Apple's first mixed reality headset, the Vision Pro, is now available in physical stores across the United States. The headset supports over 1 million iPad and iOS apps available on the App Store. Customers who pre-ordered the headset can pick it up from Apple Store's location in the country. Apple CEO Tim Cook celebrated the launch at the company's flagship store in New York. The headset features a high-resolution display with 4K resolution per eye and a 100-foot screen for constant viewing. It can last up to 2 hours on a single charge and offers 2.5 hours of video playback. Amazon introduces its new AI chatbot Rufus, aiming to enhance online shopping experience. Rufus allows shoppers to have natural conversations by typing or speaking questions into the Amazon app search bar. The chatbot provides personalized answers and recommendations, aiming to make shopping more intuitive. Rufus learns from customer questions, refining its knowledge base to improve over time. It helps shoppers delve deeper into product research, offering insights into categories like headphones, car detailing, supplies, or clean beauty products. Initially available to select customers in the US, with plans to expand access based on user feedback. India's smartphone market experiences a rebound after a challenging 2022, with shipments remaining flat at 152 million units. The market recovery is supported by 5G upgrades and better than expected festive sales in the second half of 2023. The premium segment sees 64% year-over-year growth in 2023, driven by easy financing, enabling consumers to upgrade to higher priced devices. Apple's increasing focus on India contributes to the trend, shipping over 10 million units and capturing the top revenue positions. Brands expected to focus on customizable designs, audio and video enhancement like Dolby Atmos, Vision and Vision recording. Global smartphone shipments rebound in Q4 2023 with 328 million units shipped, an 8.6% increase compared to Q4 2022. YouTube's premium music and video streaming services YouTube Music and YouTube Premium surpassed 100 million subscribers globally. This achievement comes less than 3 years after YouTube reported 50 million paid users in 2021. Lior Cohen, global head of music at YouTube, expresses delight and highlights the company's commitment to enhancing user experience and providing additional revenue streams for creators. YouTube Premium offers an ad-free viewing experience, background play on mobile, and offline downloads. The growth positions YouTube as a major player in the competitive streaming market, trailing behind Spotify's reported 226 million premium subscribers in Q3 2022. Meta introduces special video support for its Quest 3 headset, a significant improvement over Apple's Vision Pro headset. The V62 software update will gradually roll out special video support to Quest 2, Quest 3 and Quest Pro owners starting 7 February. Users can view 3D special videos recorded with an iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max or Vision Pro and upload them to the Meta Quest app. The Quest 3 undercuts the Vision Pro's price by $3,000. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg teases the new feature on Instagram, providing an early look at special video playback on Quest. The update includes improvement to pinch gestures, external gamepad support, enhanced Quest Link, and new continuity features. Google's conversational AI chatbot Bard is upgraded with capabilities such as generating images from text prompt and double-checking responses in more languages. The updated Imagen 2 model allows users to describe an image in natural language, generating high-quality photorealistic images. Bard expands its self-fact-checking feature to over 40 languages, allowing users to corroborate responses against reputable online sources. Google expands advanced Gemini Pro capabilities to over 40 languages in over 230 countries, enhancing Bard's understanding, reasoning, summarizing, and coding abilities. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) announced the ban on accepting deposit for top-ups to Paytm Payments Bank and linked services. Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma confirms that the app will continue to work as usual, thanking users for their support. Sharma reassures users of Paytm's commitment to serving the nation in full compliance, ensuring India continues to lead in payment innovation. The ban affects users using Paytm-linked services like wallets, FASTags, and NCMC card with a restriction on deposit or top-ups. Users can still withdraw their money, and the company gross merchandise value for the fiscal year 2022 to 2023 is reported to be rupees 13.2 lakh crore. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.